Om Sai Ram, welcome back to our channel The World of Raveen. I will give you some ideas to make recipes without fire. Let's start our video. Good morning ma'am, good morning friends. Today I am preparing banana shake. So let's see ingredients. Banana, milk, cardamom, sugar. Come to start, we make banana shake. First, take the banana. Mash it. It's ready. The banana cake gives us lot of energy. It's very nice. Thank you, ma'am. Now time for some other ideas like lemon juice, fruit salad, sprout, and jhal muji. Thank you for watching me. If you like my video, please subscribe, like it and share it.